Sorry, let me just move my fishbone cactus out of the way. It's in the way. Oh. So, as you guys know, I have been in the process of really trying to style my plant space, and as you probably know if you saw my last vlog, I just got a huge, basically dining table to put in this space to store more plants, get plants up off the ground, and today I just did a huge massive plant accessory haul. I went to one really high-end store and I went to a discount store and got a ton of stuff I'm excited to share with you guys in this video, and you're not gonna believe what I was able to find, and some of the prices I paid for some of this stuff is unbelievable. Yeah, so let me share with you guys all of this cool stuff, and let's start to style this space.
Don't place your dreams upon a shelf. Don't be so sleep on yourself. Dear insomniac, please check your health. Wake up, smell the roses, smell the roses. Wake up, smell the roses, smell the roses. What's meant to be will be. Make your
So as you probably gathered, I went to Restoration Hardware, which is definitely the higher end store. Near me, I have one of the Restoration Hardware outlets, and it's so nice. There's, you know, beautiful stuff there all the time, and it is discounted as well, but that was not the discount store I was referring to. I actually got these pots right here, which are gorgeous. They look like they're from Restoration Hardware. Believe you me, they're not. I got these at Job Lot. This was $5. Like, $5. $5 for the small. The medium, I believe, were $10, and I got one large pot. This pot right here, it was $14 at Job Lot. Totally mind blown. Let me get to unboxing all of the cool things I got from Restoration Hardware. And before moving on to the Restoration Hardware stuff, I just really want to make sure you guys understand, which I'm sure you do, that these are terracotta. They're super thick and they have drainage holes, all of them, so the best. These are probably meant for outdoors, but I don't give a shit. I'm gonna be using this in my plant living room. So yeah, let me show you all this Restoration Hardware stuff.
wake up and smell the roses.
All right, so let's start with this bag right here. I was shocked that I found these. I'm so happy. Wow. So this is just one thing. I got 3 of the same thing. So they came in this like nice little sturdy box. And let me open this up. So look at this beautiful glass dome that I can add on top of some plants to get increased humidity. They're gorgeous. They're really, really well made and so nice. So guys, get this. These were originally $19. Not sure if you can see that. $19, and I paid $1 for these. So nice. So obviously I couldn't just get one. I got 3. So got 3 of those, and I don't even know where I'm gonna use these yet, but I just knew that I had to have them. If you guys saw my Hoya haul, I redid my Hoya shelf over here, and I used a dome for my Pilia Moon Valley, and since putting it in in the dome, it's doing so well, it's flourishing with that increased humidity. And I think I put a post on Reddit or something, and somebody was like, oh, you know, your plant's not gonna survive in there. But yeah, it's not a sealed thing. So, you know, CO2 and oxygen can get in and out of the dome. It really just helps increase the humidity. And so when I saw these domes, these small little cute domes for $1 at the Restoration Hardware outlet, yeah, so exciting. So picked 3 of those up. Let me show you everything else that I got.
Wake up and smell the roses. Try hard not to lose.
All right, so sticking with the dome theme for a minute here. You guessed it, this is a huge cloche, basically exactly like the one that I have my Pilia Moon Valley in, but like twice the size. So let me unpack this and show you guys how cool this is. All right, it's like really super taped up. Bubble wrap everywhere. Oh my god, I just dropped it. Can you see how big this thing is? Alright. Careful. Alright, I'm totally gonna break this. Alright, there we go. You see this thing? Isn't that cool? So neat. So let me find the base and then I'll show you what that looks like. And maybe I'll pull the other one beside it so you can see the difference between the 2 sizes. All right, so the one on the left, this one here, was the original one that I had that had my Pilia Moon Valley in it. And then the bigger one I just got this afternoon. So you can see it's quite a lot wider and quite a lot taller. Yeah, so super pumped. I'm even thinking that the Senikio might be a beautiful fit for in this one. We'll just have to wait and see what that looks like, but I still got a few more things that I want to show you guys that I picked up this afternoon. All right, guys, so there are still a couple of things left to unpack, unbox for these plant accessories. One's kind of a smaller thing and one is a lot bigger and a really interesting, so let's take a look. Not sure how obvious it is, but this is, well, let's open and find out. I can already smell it. Any guesses? Oh my god, so heavy. All right, so this is just a huge giant candle that I couldn't resist. Now, candles can be pretty pricey, and this wasn't, you know, the cheapest thing, but the original price was mind-blowing. So, let's see here. I don't even think there's a price on that. Anyways, I think this candle retailed for, you know, something close to $250, which I don't know who's buying $250 candles. Definitely not me, but this one, I think we paid something like $80 or $90, which is still a lot of money, but it is scented and I don't know, just kind of maybe went overboard with this, but I think the scent is called Provençal Bath, Provençal, something like that. Anyways, it smells so nice, and there's the scent. It does have a logo on it, but this thing is huge. So there you go. All right, feeling really lucky. I found this next item. It's so heavy. It's probably quite easy to tell what it is, but I'm so excited to use this to store plants. So you can kind of see this here. So it's this huge scale, and let me take a second off camera to set it up, because I think each individual scale is labeled and has to go on a particular side. So I'm gonna set all of that up, but just look how friggin' beautiful this thing is. And oh my God, I just want to have this high up and have trailing plants coming off it. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna style this, but yeah, so happy I found it. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'll be right back. All right, so I just finished setting it up. It's actually wobbling a little bit, but everything's labeled. So like this dish with this connection all has to go on this side, and then these are labeled to go on that side. So I guess it's all being properly balanced, but isn't this just so cool? So this was definitely, oh, sorry, shaky camera. This was definitely the priciest item of the bunch, and I think it was worth every penny. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put everything, but let me just sort of give you a whole scan of everything that I picked up for my plant styling. So again, this beautiful scale, these two lovely cloches, but this is the one that I got today. This ginormous Restoration Hardware candle, and then let me do 4, so 7 of these beautiful terracotta pots, and again, $5. The medium, C10, 14, insane. And don't forget the $1. These were each $1. So totally overwhelmed. Now I've got to figure out where all the stuff is going to go, and I actually have a ton of stuff that needs repotting. So I've got to get to that too, and yeah, miss you guys tons. Till the next one.